Привет, друзья, and I have a great announcement to make today. We are finally available to all of you guys, iOS users, to use our app BeFluent on your phone. Finally, after many months of work, it's finally there. So you can just simply go to App Store, tap in BeFluent, and you will see our app right there. Download it, start your free trial, and start using our platform on your phone. No longer websites, only apps. We have one on Android now and on iOS. It's the new era of BeFluent because we will be shifting our focus more toward the apps and not staying on the website platform. For those of you who don't know what BeFluent is, which is, I think, a rarity, we have a main course Russian step by step that you can take each lesson one at a time, focused on communication and speaking to your family and friends. And along with that, we have, of course, exercises that will train the things that you're learning through practice. And of course, we have another major component to your learning, which is vocabulary. Language, especially Russian, is 100% the words that you know. So the words that you know is like building blocks to your house, while everything else is the structure of it. So we have a vocabulary page where you can learn the words through repetition, and over time, you will get to fluency in Russian in that way. Vocabulary plus structure of grammar and other practical skills will lead you to fluency in Russian. So check it out with the first link in the description on iOS, with the second link in the description for all of you guys Android users. Now, the announcement portion is done. I want to spend this other few minutes to just thank all of you guys for this never-ending support. Ever since we've started, you can see the screenshot on your screen of me in my dorm room with the towel rack as a background. And since then, we've really come a long way. And we never took any debt, we never took any investments. It was all funded by you guys who have been joining our courses on BeFluent, BeFluent camps, and etc. We're able to have a small, for now, team of developers who have helped us with building this app, the website, and everything else. It's always been funded by you, so I'm grateful for all of you guys who are watching this video, who are participating in our courses, to give me personally the lifestyle that I have with just me being able to work on BeFluent without having to take a second job. And we're able to also provide the same for a small group of people, 5 to 6, depending on the year. And this is our small team of BeFluent that we've been rocking for a while now. And yeah, I'm just forever grateful to all of you who've been helping us do that. And for me personally, this milestone of finally having an app is a big one because I am now 28 years old. We started this when I was about 22, 21. And at that time, it was just the beginning, making videos on YouTube, and that was it. And we always had a dream and a goal of an app on the phone that we download different apps to play games, to learn things. And now one of our apps is part of that system. That is a bit surreal to me. Even though we always had that as our goal, we have finally accomplished that. And it's a major milestone for me personally because I've been at the forefront making these videos and then hiring people along the way. And even though I cannot attribute all of those things as my personal success, I was at the beginning of it. And so it was mainly my vision and my goal setting that drove the team forward. And so now that we have accomplished the app, even though the journey is not finished by far, we have reached a major milestone that I can say that we are part of the big dogs now. So thank you guys for helping me personally achieve my dream and also helping my team and our team achieve this business milestone as well. And I hope that with this new step, we will be able to add even more things to you guys. We have a lot of things that we're working on currently that I hope you will hear about soon. And yeah, just forever grateful and forever happy that that we have reached this step and we didn't crumble along the way. So thank you all, and again, check out the apps with the first and second links in the description, depending on your phone. If you have Android like me, I have an Android, you can download it with the second link. But if you have an iPhone, you can download it with the first link. See you all there, and I hope you enjoy.